Hey guys, here we are back with another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today we are going to take a closer look at two of KFA gaming accessories. One is the mouse slider. It is a gaming mouse with RGB, and we are going to talk all of the features about it. And the other one is a pair of headphones directed at gaming as well, the Sonar. And we are back. So let's start with the gaming mouse, which first of all, it's ergonomic, it's light and very easy to use. And by the way, it has RGB. It also has 8 buttons that can be personalized. Actually, all of the buttons, which are 8, can be personalized. We will find in the included software the options to choose any function that we want to put on any of these buttons. And besides that, it also has 4 different profiles that we can target at each of one of the uses that we give. So for example, if I play certain game, I can put it on one of those profiles, and then I want to work on the office, I add another profile. If I want to have media playback targeted buttons, I can do so, and just by cycling through those profiles, I will have a complete different set of keys. Now you can also target that at gaming, and let's say that you play 4 different games that you want 4 different settings in terms of keys. You might do that and have set up that in seconds. You will just change from one game to another and you will have different kinds of buttons. This is one of the most powerful features in my opinion, besides the comfort and easy to use. If we need to register some macros, then we can as well through the software. We also have the adjustment of the DPI level of the mouse. Now in this particular case, we have 6 different levels that we can customize, the level and also the color, which we will talk a little bit in a few moments. We also have the pointer precision, the fire speed and the wheel speed, so we can customize all this. And one of the things that I would like to mention right away here is that we can customize the colors that we have on the DPI levels, and this will be very interesting when we move to the next screen, which is the LED or the RGB customization. And if I want to choose something like static, which is one of my favorites, or the breathing effect, then I will have to play with the RGB DPI level colors. Let's say that I want red, and the DPI mode that I use more is the lowest one, so I probably would put red on that one and just use that one. And of course I could put red on all of the levels of the DPI, but then just looking at the mouse I wouldn't know in which level I would be. Now if we take a look at the LED, as probably you have already, you will have 4 different options. In my opinion, at least personally, I prefer the breathing, static or mute, which is the one that turns off the light completely. But 4 different options, and you have a lot to choose from. You can use a lot of effects. If you want more colors, then probably you will find anything that suits your tastes right over there. But just have in mind that we can have a full wide range of personalization, playing around with the effects and also with the DPI colors that we can place. We will have a way of everyone will be happy with the RGB effect. Now moving to the Sonar, unlike the slider, the Sonar has only one color effect in terms of RGB. It is that cycle color, and that is it. There's no personalization, at least at this moment. Let's see in the future if the software will be updated and will give us more freedom to choose the colors that we want, but this is not certain. What is certain is that they are very light and they are very comfortable, and the sound quality is just great. We will find on the software 4 different profiles on the equalizer. We also have the 3D mode, which will mimic 3D on these headsets, and also some sound effects that will give us more echo or less echo. We will have the theater, WC, living room and corridor. We also have a microphone, which I find it really cool and really nice in terms of the touch of the light when we turn it on or off, mute and mute off. And in terms of the recording quality, right now here we are testing the audio quality of the microphone of these KFA Sonar headphones, and as I was saying, there's a button right over here that, and right now you can hear me again. Now, in my opinion, it's more than enough for your gameplay or for your video conferences and things like that, but as always, here's a sample so that you guys can decide on that side of the screen. And back to the Robert, which is recording right over there. As you could see, not bad at all to play your games, or even if you want to do a video conference, or I would risk to record a video such as this one. I believe that it will be better than the audio from one of the recording camera. Now, it also has the virtual 7.1, which, as the name states, it will mimic a 7.1 environment around us, and we can customize it, putting the speakers on one side, more to the left, more to the right. So this will be a personal taste that each one of us will have to choose. And here I cannot explain what you feel, but you will feel it moving around to one side and to the other. So just use the one that you prefer. Now, in terms of physical things, as I mentioned, they are light, they are very easy to use on the head, comfortable, so you can use it for quite a few hours. And in terms of buttons, it has two, one of which is to mute the microphone, and the microphone will turn red when active and it will turn off when inactive. And it also has a wheel for the volume, so if you don't want to touch your computer, just press that wheel or turn the wheel and you will have volume up and volume down. And guys, this is it, two new accessories from KFA in terms of gaming. So it's not only GPUs, and you can see one right over. This is the RTX 3070 Ti, which was the latest one that we review here on the channel. It's just a beast, awesome price to performance. And that is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.